you Van Heist hedgehogs! Welcome back to art class with me, Scaredy Squirrel. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're probably wondering, hey, where the heck is Mr. Lynch? He usually does this part. Well, Mr. Lynch said I could teach today's class because we are learning about puppets. Last week, you each got a little bag of model magic clay that you were able to pick up from Van Heist. We're going to be using that clay today to make our very own puppets. And I know a thing or two about being a puppet. For our artist inspiration today, we are learning about an artist named Kevin Clash. Kevin is a puppeteer and voice actor. That means that he works with puppets and does their voices. Kevin has helped lots of characters come to life over the years with his skills in puppet movement and creative voices. I'll bet you've even heard of a few of his characters, or maybe seen them on TV or in movies. So we're going to be using our model magic clay to create our very own pencil topper puppets. This is going to be pretty cool and I can't wait. So let's get going. Alright, so here we go. What you'll need this week are your clay in the bag from last time. A couple of pencils will be pretty helpful. Oh, and there's some cool tools over here that Mr. Lynch found for me. A plastic spoon, a plastic knife, a toothpick, some twisty ties. These are some tools that might be helpful to start adding some texture and details to your pencil puppets. All right, so we're gonna get into those bags. Hey, Mr. Lynch?
Yeah, Scaredy Squirrel?
Do you think you could come and help me with some of the clay building today?
Yeah, sure, I'd love to. I'll be right there.
All right, great. Okay, Mr. Lynch is gonna come, so I'm just gonna sit right over here.
All right, Scaredy Squirrel, what's up?
Well, we need to first open up our clay bags and take out our clay.
All right, I'm happy to help with that. I'm gonna set these materials over here.
Okay, Mr. Lynch, so what I want for you to do is to open up each of your packet, take out the clay color, and we'll just set it down in front of us.
All right, sounds good. Oh, and then this green one. Oh yeah, this is the one that we mixed last week, isn't it, Scaredy Squirrel?
Yeah, we made that mixing the blue and yellow, but some other people probably have different colors.
All right, cool. So what do we do now?
Well, first I want you to rip each of those in half. Try to save half of it and put it back in the bag.
All right, so I'll take half of my yellow, pull it apart, and I'm gonna tuck it back into the yellow packet, just like that. I'm gonna take half of the blue, pull it apart, rip it in half. That looks pretty even. I'm gonna put it back in the blue package. And then I'm gonna take my mixed color, green, and I'll pull it apart. Pop, just like that. I'm gonna put that right in the Ziploc. So, Scaredy Squirrel, why did we pull these apart?
Well, I wanted to save some of the clay for next time.
Oh, that's a good idea. Okay, so I'm gonna put this stuff back in here, zip it all the way tightly closed. Zip, just like that, okay. This clay is ready for our next project next week. We're gonna set it over here. This is what we're using this week.
All right, so Mr. Lynch, why don't you go ahead and grab one of those colors?
I'll start with yellow. Okay, let's see, yellow it is.
All right, could you go and rip that yellow in half?
Oh, okay, we're doing more ripping in half. That looks pretty even to me.
Great, okay, you can set one of those down. All right, now you're gonna take that clump of yellow, or whatever color you choose, and I want you to roll it into a ball.
Huh, that works pretty good. I know you can also roll a ball by putting it against the table and moving your hand like that.
Oh yeah, that works pretty good too.
All right, now I'm guessing we're gonna grab one of these pencils.
Yeah, that's right. So we're actually gonna be building our puppets on a pencil. I want you to stick the pencil into the clay without having it poke out the other side.
All right, I'll try my best. Wow, it's kind of like putting a marshmallow on a stick if you've ever roasted marshmallows.
Yeah, it's exactly like that.
Okay, wow, that worked pretty good. Look at that. They're already starting to look like a little puppet. Right, now we gotta start adding some personality to our puppet. Maybe let's start with some eyeballs. Okay, let's start with eyeballs. What color eyeballs do you want, Scaredy Squirrel?
Let's do blue.
Okay, so you know what? I'm gonna do the same thing I did before. I'm actually gonna rip this in half. And I'll even rip my green in half too. That way we can save it for our next puppet. Keep these ones over here. Okay, so when I roll an eyeball, I'm gonna kind of take a little tiny chunk of my clay, roll it up just like this, make a little ball, and I'm gonna stick it right onto the clay that's on the pencil. There's one eyeball. Okay. Scaredy Squirrel, should we make some pupils?
Yeah, let's do those out of yellow as well.
Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of yellow. This little pencil puppet looks pretty cool, but there's no mouth.
Okay, let's use green for the mouth.
Wow, look at that. It's got a nice little smiley face now. What do you say we give this puppet a nose, Scaredy Squirrel?
Oh yeah, I think it definitely needs a nose.
Huh, that kind of reminds me of like a cat nose. How about you, Scaredy Squirrel?
Yeah, it does kind of remind me of a cat.
I think this character needs some cat ears as well.
Okay, let's do those made out of yellow.
All right. What do you think, Scaredy Squirrel?
Oh, I think he looks great. Well, since we're making this kind of into a cat-like character, I think we gotta give him a name.
All right, what do you want to name him?
I think I want this puppet to be able to go fast, so what do you think about Chadwick Cheetah?
I think Chadwick Cheetah is a great name, but if it's a cheetah, we better add some polka dots.
All right.
Sometimes when I connect different pieces, I like to take the tip of a tool, like a plastic butter knife, or this could even be a pencil, and kind of push it down to mix the two pieces together. There we go. Now Chadwick Cheetah has two little arms. Well, I'm gonna add a few more details to Chadwick Cheetah. I wanna see if maybe I can do something with this twist tie. I think my Chadwick Cheetah puppet needs a tail. So let's see. I'm gonna try cutting this little twist tie in half just like this. And what do you think, Scaredy Squirrel? Will I be able to create a tail for my character?
Well, you could try.
All right, I'm gonna see if I can put part of this, connect it to the back just like this. And maybe I'll take just a little bit more yellow. Make it nice and skinny. Press it down, press to make it wider. I wonder if I can curl this around that twisty tie. All right, I think Chadwick Cheetah is all done. Check it out. I put polka dots on the back. I added a tail by wrapping some of that clay around a twist tie. He's got little eyes. Scaredy Squirrel, what do you think? Is this pretty cool or what?
Yeah, I think it looks great. Mr. Lynch, we have lots of leftover clay. Do you think we can make Chadwick Cheetah a friend?
You bet we can. Here, you know what? I actually was able to find a little hot sauce bottle, and I'm actually just gonna put the pencil right in here, and so I can set my character up. That is how Chadwick Cheetah is going to dry. Now we've got leftover clay, so let's make another one. I'm gonna move a little bit faster for this one. Is that okay with you, Scaredy Squirrel?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, first I'm gonna get all my little clay pieces back together. Okay, Scaredy Squirrel, I'm done with my second puppet.
Oh, hello there.
My name is Paulina the Penguin. I walked all the way here from Antarctica.
Oh, good to meet you, Paulina. Can I shake your flipper?
Yes, you may.
Zoom. Oh, hello there. Hi, Paulina. My name is Chadwick. Good to meet you. Pip pip.
My goodness, he is a fast cheetah. For some reason, I seem to have made both of you with British accents.
Oh, Mr. Lynch, the best part about puppets is that you can change our voices at any moment. Like, I used to talk like that, but now I talk like this.
Wow, you sure are right, Chadwick. I hope you had fun creating your own pencil topper puppets, Van Heist. For the rest of your leftover clay, simply put it back into the bag so we can use it again next time. And maybe I'll store Paulina the Penguin in my marker cup, and Chadwick Cheetah can stay in the hot sauce bottle.
Thanks so much for hanging out with us while we were, while we were making puppet pencil toppers. Can't wait to see them at our next meeting. Bye!